Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just you can't receive iMessages on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So first you just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find your Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a second and just turn it off. So after you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on your phone again. Also you can try to check updates for your system, so just go to the general, in the general just open software update, and if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And also you can try to go find your messages, just open it and just try to, sorry, not phone but messages, and now just try to turn it off and turn on again. So just reactivate your iMessage. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.